We are pleased to show you the 2021 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: premium wheels, running boards, power brakes, driver's side remote mirror, dual exhaust, interval wipers, rear window wiper, leather upholstery, heated seats, keyless entry. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries.